Hi guys, we're back with a little bit of an update video, stash ads, all that kind of good stuff. Went to my favorite local hobby shop, which was like 80 miles from my house round trip, and we picked up some supplies. We got our Vallejo black, because I'm always running out of black. They were out of the Extreme Metals chrome, but they had this AK Super Chrome, so I'm going to try that out and see how I like it. X20A, I know you can make your own, but I prefer it. TS14 black, which is a base color I use for was what I used on the Cutlass, but I use it on the base color for the chrome stuff too, because I didn't have any of the AK black base there at the store. Otherwise I'd have got that instead. Got 2 cans of TS13 and a can of white primer, white surface primer. I was gonna get pink, but I was already over $100, so we cut it there because he had also got my very favorite thing. Not 1, but 2 packs of air metal foil. Hopefully, they said they just got those in, so hopefully they're a good batch. I know Jeff's Model Garage is having started up the Old Tom Rambler 69 group build. And I bought the 5-window coupe. I've got it at Michael's on the 20% coupon, so I got it for $23, so it wasn't too bad. So we will do that, and we'll probably do some kind of a mix between the street, between the two, and then so we start that here in a couple weeks, and then I want to give a shout out to let me swing over here, turn my computer back on. Jay's, let me zoom in on it. I take that off. That's my new memory card for my new computer. Jay's Resin Wheels 1948 on eBay. Does some amazing stuff. Let me show you. And it's really cheap too. Inexpensive, I guess is the proper word. Let me widen this back out. These are $17 a set. These are the Weld 3 drag wheels, so they've got the street drag, so they've got tread on them. And then I bought this set first. And I thought, let me find them here. And I contacted him. Said I liked them a lot, but when you put them on a car, unless you put it on an actual just full dragster, you can see right through the wheels, and there's no brake rotors or anything behind it. And some of his wheels do come with the rotors. I'll show you those in a minute. So I asked him if I could get some rotors to fit these wheels, and they fit back in there perfectly. I know it's not going to show up yet. To fill that in. Back I'm not worried about, because on a drag car you probably wouldn't have back brakes anyway. You just have the front brakes, because you'd be on the trans brake or something for the front. Anyway, he sent me, at no charge, he sent me a dozen of those, and I want to thank him for that. In addition to that set of wheels, this is all from Jay's Resin Wheels. I've got an 82 Firebird Targa sitting in the stash, and I ordered these. These are 21 and 22 inch wheels. They're wide in the back, narrower in the front. These do come with the brake calipers already, and the snowflake wheels that I'm going to put up, I think I'm going to use for that one. These also came from them, and these were like $16. And I believe he's got free shipping on all this stuff, so Along the same lines, I bought a set of the weld. I think they were regular weld 1 wheels. I don't remember. Again, a Pro Street wheel. Those were like 17 bucks. And I was fishing around on his website, on eBay, in a store. And I saw this. I talked to him about it. It is not prototype, but I'll help if I had it in camera now, wouldn't it? This is a supercharged Pontiac LS engine. It's kind of cool. It's got the Pontiac logo on top of the supercharger, Pontiac on the valve covers. I'm going to have to add a few more pulleys in it to make them actually work, where your water line comes out. And that's all cast in one piece, or printed. And again, these were like, depending on what size you got, I think this was maybe $20. And then moving on, also on eBay, from Texas 3D Customs. Sorry guys, I keep putting it out of frame. I got a 572 fuel injected engine, LS fuel injected engine, with the big drag transmission on the back. This one does have all the printed belts and stuff to go with it. And this one's pretty cool. I was going to use this one. You can see the mark on the back. I was going to use it in the Cutlass, but it just wouldn't fit the hood. Well, I couldn't find a set of headers that would fit on it. It'd still fit inside the fenders. But that's a really nice engine. I said it was like $24, and it came from Texas 3D Customs. We got one more. He's off to the side. This one is from Juan for you on eBay. This is again a 572. It's got it looks like it'll be a 400 transmission, and it's got the dual 4-barrel intake on it. And again, this was like shipped was like $24 or $25. I don't remember exactly. But this one will be going into a build very soon. And in fact, it may end up in that excuse me, in that street rod, in that 5-window coupe. Yeah, it may end up in this one. So anyway, guys, that's where we're at. We got our Airwolf all done except for dull coating, and I'm debating on dull coat. I haven't watched the show in a long time, but if I remember in the show, it had kind of a glossy or satiny finish. So right now it's in full gloss. So I may put a satin finish on it instead of a dead flat. But we've got that. We've got Lisa swallowing over back there. We've got our tail rotors all done. Main rotor is ready to go on after I clear coat it. Airwolf, the blades on top were white and they were black on the bottom. If I can get that on there. It kind of looks like that. We got our guns are all here, painted, ready to go on. So once we get it flat coated, say we got to put the rotors on. We got to put the collective rods on the main rotor. Put our guns on the side, missiles on the bottom. This kit comes, if you find one, comes with the parts. You could build it as a stock Bell 222B. And it also comes with, building it that way, it comes with different pylons and the side pieces are missing or off, and then you've got an interior and windows on either side. But of course we didn't do it that way. The landing gear on the bottom, they are a pain in the ass. It's kind of a play feature, which the nose gear I just glued down. Tail wheels, or the main gear, I still have semi-movable, that you can kind of set it. I won't be able to do it. You can set it with the wheels, like it's kind of almost taken off, like the weight is off of the main gear, or you can set it down like it's parked. So that's, and so there's our gun pods right there. So that's Airwolf. Airwolf will be done, which is for the Whirly group build hosted by Brian over at PG Scale Model Workshop. And I was going to do Blue Thunder 2, but I believe it ends on Labor Day, so I'm running short on time for that. Airwolf should be finished in a couple of days. Well, actually, probably tomorrow, but it'll be a couple of days before I do the video. I got all my resin goodies. What else did I get? Is that all I got? Yeah, that's all I got. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will say in a day or two we should have the final on the Airwolf once I get it clear coated and get all the rest of the parts put on and all the window masks taken off. So again, say thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next video.